Aloha, Nick here on Hōlanikū. We've had a super exciting January so far to start off 2026. We had a pueo show up, Tristram storm petrels are breeding, Bonin petrels are breeding. There's tons and tons, tens of thousands of albatross eggs hatching into little chicks. So super exciting things. We found nearly 500 verbicina this month. And this morning, we have an interesting day ahead of us. We're starting off with a shorebird survey, a Hawaiian monk seal survey, a marine debris survey. We're going to cap it off with some ground nesting booby monitoring, so masked and brown boobies. And then we're going to do an outplanting, some data entry, and I'm going to write our monthly report. So mahalo for watching, and we hope you enjoy. Okay, so we are over here in the East Beefowl colony, starting the interior section of our shorebird survey. However, we were interrupted because there is a gull. Gulls are notoriously difficult to identify. However, this is a non-breeding adult gull, so I'll put in the video here and we'll have a quiz for our viewers to see if they know what kind of gull it is. It's a non-breeding adult, and if you want a hint, if you don't want a hint, forward this 15 seconds, but if you want a hint, I would look at larger pink-legged gulls. So, or maybe check out slaty-backed, glaucous-winged, vega, and herring. Look at those four and see what you think this is.
We're in Booby Acres doing monitoring for our ground nesting boobies. Today we're trying to see if the adults are on an egg, 2 eggs, or even a chick, and we're trying to get band resites if possible.
We're pretty fortunate. It's a sunny day today, and on sunny days like this, the adults are a little bit more likely to stand up off their eggs, check them out, make sure that they're not getting too warm, and we can actually see what's going on. This is a purely observational form of monitoring, so we don't do anything hands-on, which is great because we can minimize our disturbance levels. Today we added just about six or seven nests in Booby Acres, so we'll be monitoring them throughout the rest of the season.
Though habitat restoration is how we spend the majority of our time, we also conduct several protocols that allow us to monitor the ecosystem and quantify the effects of our habitat restoration work. Our large-scale habitat restoration goals have been successful. The verbicina monoculture destroyed. Monitoring our masked and brown booby population and reproductive success allows us to inform adaptive management strategies and adjust objectives as needed.